Hi guys! During the past week, my cousins went on a trip, but sadly, I couldn't go.
Why didn't you go, Bernice? Why didn't you go on their trip?
Well, the reason why is that I'm broke. And I was scrolling through their pictures and I've realized that just because I'm not there physically doesn't mean I can transform into something that's over there. I've decided that with the little things that I have, I will transform into the Statue of Liberty. Why not? And I mean, I recently started YouTube and I really need the views, so why not just go overboard and transform into a statue? The Statue of Liberty. Why not? I mean, you know what? Let's just get to the video.
Hello guys, so basically what I'm going to do first is to braid my hair just as the Statue of Liberty has it, and yeah, that's basically it. Okay, so I'm now heading with my foundation and just making my skin less yellow than it already is, just because I think the color will like show up more, the green color, and well yeah, I just want everything to be even. So this might seem weird, but I'm just spreading my Revlon lipstick all over my face and body, but I kind of wanted to place it all over my body because I wanted that rusty metal kind of look. And well yeah, at first I know it seems kind of horrible, but you will soon get me. Now I'm heading with the Jocelyn Hill palette and just grabbing the green color and spreading it all over my body. Then we're heading to our body regular paints and I'm just placing it all over my body again. As you can see, there's like a smooth application and that rusty feel that I was looking for, yeah, it's definitely there. Heading back to my Jocelyn Hill palette, I'm just grabbing all of the dark colors and just giving my face and body some dimension. Now I'm grabbing some of my white paint and just spreading it all over my neck and face just to give it a clean cut and dimension. So yeah guys, let's go wild and just paint our hair green. You see what I did there? You see? You get? Okay, I'll stop. So yeah guys, this is basically it. I hope you guys liked the video and leave a comment and subscribe for more. Bye!